SQF Common FAQ You Asked Part 1. What is the SQF certification? The Safe Quality Food Certification is a comprehensive global food safety and quality program that ensures the integrity of food products throughout the supply chain. It is designed to provide a systematic approach to managing food safety and quality risks in food-related industries, from production to manufacturing, distribution, and food service establishments. Who needs to obtain SQF certification? The SQF certification can be helpful for any organization involved in the production, processing, or handling of food products. This includes farmers, manufacturers, distributors, warehouses, and even food service establishments. What are the different types of SQF certification? The certification offers 3 different scope: SQF Fundamental Basic and SQF Fundamental Intermediate and the fully GFSI recognized SQF programs. What are the key requirements for SQF certification? The SQF certification program is built on a foundation of comprehensive food safety and quality management requirements. It includes implementation of a robust HACCP plan, developing and maintaining a range of policies, procedures, and documentation, as well as traceability programs. How long does SQF certification process take? It can be a lengthy and complex undertaking, with the time required to complete the process varies depending on the size and complexity of the business. On average, the process can take several months to complete, from the initial pre-assessment to the final certification audit. What are the costs associated with SQF certification? Obtaining and maintaining the SQF certification can be a significant investment for businesses, with a range of costs associated with the process. The most significant cost associated with the SQF certification is the annual certification fee, which is charged by the certification body. This fee can range from several $1,000s, depending on the size and scope of the organization's operations. In addition to this, you may also incur costs related to the development and implementation of their SQF management system. Is SQF certification worth it? Despite the significant investment required, it can be a valuable investment in the long-term success and sustainability for food businesses. How often does SQF certification need to be renewed? The SQF certification is valid for 1 year, after which your facility must undergo a recertification audit to maintain its certification. What are the benefits of achieving SQF certification? Achieving the SQF certification can provide a range of benefits for food businesses operating in the food industry. Organizations can gain the trust and confidence of their customers, including major retailers, food service providers, and consumers. Improve operational efficiency and reduce the risk of costly food safety incidents. Comply with regulatory requirements and avoid the financial and reputational consequences of food safety violations. Can't decide to get certified? Talk to us at 236-513-2488. There are many reasons you may not need the certification. Or join us on our next webinar on August 15th to learn more.